What's going on, guys? If you're dealing with prostate inflammation, frequent urination, and low energy, your kidneys are definitely trying to tell you something. They're being overwhelmed. They're being overworked. Remember, we talk about healing their whole system, your whole body system, your whole urinary system, kidney, bladder, prostate, etc. Because they all work together. I like to call the kidneys the general or the commander of the system. So your kidneys filter toxins from your blood and they help to control overall inflammation in your body. When they're overloaded, then inflammation goes up. Your prostate swells, your urine flow weakens, your testosterone levels take a hit. Again, everything is connected. So what's the solution? Well, a balanced diet. You got to eat more low oxalate and magnesium rich foods to keep your kidneys clean. And more hydration, better hydration levels as well. Low level oxalate foods typically are celery, cabbage, asparagus, red bell peppers. You can throw in some fermented cabbage in there as well. Read the labels. If you buy store-bought sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, some of it has, higher levels of sodium. So find a recipe online and make your own fermented foods. So oxalates are naturally occurring compounds that are found in many plant-based foods. We eat a lot of spinach and arugula. So it's in those foods. Leafy greens. The oxalates bind to minerals like calcium and magnesium in the body, forming crystals that are usually eliminated through urine. Yeah, oxalates help regulate your mineral balance, but too much can lead to kidney stones and inflammation, especially if you have weaker kidney function. But don't worry. Small amounts of oxalates from foods like leafy greens, nuts, and cocoa are okay if your kidneys are healthy. But if your kidneys are weakened, then you got to balance out oxalates with better hydration, more magnesium and calcium-rich foods to prevent any type of toxicity or buildup in your kidneys. So this is something you can do, very simple. Just drink this in the morning to flush your kidneys. A warm cup of lemon water. Squeeze the lemon right into the water. Not cold water, not room temperature water. Warm water. Almost like tea, but not that hot. This is very helpful in the morning because your kidneys are most active in the morning, right? Like the first 7-8 hours after you wake up, your kidneys are most active. Eat more fruit in the morning so you can hydrate the body better so that water is retained in your body. Cleaner kidneys mean less stress in your entire urinary system, less prostate swelling, stronger urine flow, better health. So love your kidneys and your kidneys will love your prostate and your entire urinary system. Let's get healthy.